and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Imagine a world where students are not simply digesting information but rather actively applying their knowledge. This is the essence of authentic assessment, a revolutionary approach that moves away from traditional exams and encourages real world critical thinking skills. It aims to assess a student's ability to apply what they have learned in meaningful and authentic contexts, rather than simply testing their ability to recall information. John Mueller describes it as a form of assessment in which students are asked to perform real world tasks that demonstrate meaningful application of essential knowledge and skills. Now let's discuss the incredible advantages of using authentic assessment in your classroom. Firstly, it promotes higher order thinking, allowing students to connect their knowledge to practical situations. This prepares them for challenges beyond the walls of academia. Secondly, authentic assessment fosters creativity. It allows students to showcase their strengths, explore unique perspectives, and think outside the box. This not only enhances their learning experience but also prepares them for diverse career paths. Let's explore a few tried and tested methods you, as teachers, can incorporate into your classroom. One method is project-based assessments. By assigning complex real-world tasks, students can apply their knowledge into practical scenarios and develop critical skills such as problem solving, collaboration, and time management. Another method is performance assessments. Here, students demonstrate their understanding through presentations, debates, or even role plays. This method instills confidence, ensures active participation, and allows for authentic feedback for both peers and teachers. There are more examples like portfolios, case studies, simulations, observations, interviews, exhibitions, or presentations. Now let's top it off with some valuable tips for our dedicated teachers implementing authentic assessment in their classrooms. Tip number 1. Incorporate self-reflection activities. Encourage students to evaluate their own learning process, identify strengths and areas for improvement. This builds metacognitive skills, fostering a growth mindset. Tip number 2. Provide clear rubrics or guidelines to ensure transparency. Students need to understand the expectations, grading criteria, and how their efforts align with real-world standards. Tip number 3. Embrace technology. With digital platforms, you can create engaging assessments incorporating multimedia elements like videos, podcasts, or online discussions. This not only keeps students interested but also prepares them for the digital era. As we wrap up this enlightening journey into the world of authentic assessment, remember that education is about preparing our students for their future, not just passing exams. By incorporating this approach, we can create a dynamic learning environment that transforms students into critical thinkers, innovative problem solvers, and confident individuals ready to conquer the world. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.